Every great meal is incomplete without a handful of fennel seeds to munch on, especially after the food. Doesn't matter whether it is sugar coated, mixed with other mouth refreshing spices, or all by itself. The fennel seeds are the must post meal mouth refreshers. And I love them the most in my favorite dessert, the malpuas. Hello everyone and welcome to All Lite Food, and let's know 13 health benefits of fennel seeds. So the fennel seeds or the Saunf are rich in minerals like iron, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium and manganese. The fennel seeds are also an excellent source of vitamin K, fibers and high in antioxidants. The fennel seeds promote healthy digestion and treat stomach bloating and gastritis. They also helps to reduce the cholesterol and blood pressure levels. The fennel seed help to reduce the symptoms of non-ulcer dyspepsia and reduces the flatulence. Many people believe that the fennel seed also helps to alleviate menstrual cramps and pain. These tiny seeds are also known to boost the immunity and improve the brain function. The iron and histidine content in the fennel seed helps to treat anemia. Fennel seeds are also used to prevent constipation and treat diarrhea caused by bacterial infection. Also known to promote weight loss and boost metabolism. The seeds also support healthy skin, fights acne and reduces wrinkles. They are also very healthy for our eyes. And finally, fennel seeds helps in the detoxification.